Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Guys, today I am going to show you a paper collection that I got from Sandy Nagel. She is Decorate Your Life. I am guest designing for this collection. It is called a Gingerbread Christmas paper collection. Guys, if y'all haven't seen this, oh my gosh, it is such a pretty collection. So I'm going to show you the collection, and then later on, you know, I don't know how long it's gonna, I have an idea as to what I'm going to make, but I don't know how long it's going to take me because you know, I have, you know, things that need to get done. So this is Sandy's Gingerbread Christmas collection, and I'm going to list her website in the description box, so you can, I believe she has it in digital form as well. So I mean, if you don't want a physical paper pack, you can absolutely get the digital one, and I think that's awesome because you can print whatever it is that you need. So this is the collection, a Gingerbread Christmas. So in my package, she sent me a small gift, and all right, super duper cute. It says RSVP, and let me show you on the back what that looks like. Isn't that cute? Oh my word, that is so pretty. Thank you, Sandy, for the extra free gift. I appreciate it. You know I love my dies. So this was a free gift from Sandy. Now guys, I don't know if she puts one in every package or not, but I know I did receive one. So there's that. And then she did put a note in my package, and it just says, hope that you're recovering from your surgery without any complications. Thank you for guest designing. Hugs, Sandy. So she handmade her little card there. So thank you so much, Sandy. So this is her collection, guys. Again, it's a Gingerbread Christmas paper collection, and you should see the colors. They're beautiful. They're shabby colors. The colors are very pastel, beautiful muted down colors. This collection is beautiful, guys. Oh my gosh, I know you can see that. Oh, by the way, I did set up my camera a little different to where I can see what is on the camera. So I did fix it to where I know this is where I need to be. So this is the Gingerbread collection, Gingerbread Christmas. And this is, look how pretty. Oh my gosh, it is stunning, guys. It is stunning. I just love this collection, this gingerbread collection. I'm into gingerbread this year, if you can't tell. So this one has the little houses. These are probably supposed to reflect gingerbread cookies, because they're beautiful. They are just stunning. And then, oh, so it looks like we get 2 of each. Oh, good. It looks like you get 2 of each. And this is her page, her next page. How pretty. Look at those cupcakes, the little gingerbreads. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. So there are 2 of those. And look at this little gingerbread house. It looks like a little store, doesn't it? Like a little cookie shop. How pretty. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. And then the gifts on the top with the poinsettia. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Love that. And this is another background page, again with these beautiful pastel colors. That green is just stunning, along with that pink. Beautiful. Everything is just stunning, let me tell you. And these are like little shops next to each other. Oh, how cute. The little gingerbread and the little girl. There's a snowman. The snowflakes falling in green, gold, this pretty, you know, purplish color. Oh my gosh, this is the detail, guys, is amazing. You know, you can see every brick. There are trees in the back. You can see inside the store. It's stunning, guys. This paper collection is stunning. And this is another one. Oh, I love the little houses, the gingerbreads. What's not to love, guys? Look at this beautiful purple background. It is beautiful, beautiful. Done very, very well, Sandy. And then the last page is your cut apart. So yes, those are the last 2 pages. You get your cupcake, your gingerbread boy, your gingerbread girl. You get your little shops there. This one's pretty with that beautiful couch and the tree, just beautiful. And here are here's the other page, and look at this little village right here. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. Sandy did an amazing job with this collection, guys. I hope you will go check her out. It is, like I said, stunning. It is gorgeous. So we'll see what I make for you guys. All right. Okay, guys. Well, I will talk to you in the next video. Y'all have a great day. Thanks a lot, guys.